Hey guys, back with another video. It is Saturday, March the 8th, 2025. I'm at work. I'm at my client's house. I do private duty. And I have, hold for 1 second. And I just picked up an Amazon Flex. Let me see if you can see it. Probably can you see it? An Amazon Flex shift starting at 5 to 6:30. I get off work at 4 o'clock, and so I went on and picked up this 5 o'clock shift. It's only an hour and a half, and the minimum payout is $32.50. So after work, I want you to come along with me. We're gonna go do this hour and a half shift. When I did an hour and a half shift, I think a couple of days ago, the ending payout was $77.50. So someone gave me a great tips. Anyway, so I want you guys to come along with me while we do this Amazon Flex shift. Alright guys, I'm at the Whole Foods. I'm a little early. Just waiting for my order to start for time for me to check in. Okay guys, it is 5:20 and I finally was able to pick up my packages. I have 3 packages, 2 stops, but the first delivery is 27 minutes away. All right, so let's go drop off these packages. And my goal is to at least make $40 minimum. Hold on for a second, guys. Let me get out and I'll be back. Man, it's busy out here. So we're going to drop off these packages. I hated that I had to wait 20 minutes before I was even able to, well, 16 minutes, because it was 5:16 when they buzzed me in.
Exit parking towards Oyster Point Road, VA 171.
These people just walking out in front of your cars like they made of, I don't know, they can't be hit or they not going to be hurt or something. I don't know. They just walking out.
Then at the traffic light.
But anyway, let's go get these deliveries dropped off. And my goal, like I said, is no less than $40 minimum. Let's go. He ended up coming to get the package from me, which was great. The little boy. So he saw me pull up in the driveway and he came and got it. So that was real easy. So let's go drop off the last 2 and then we'll be done. Let's go. Have been dropped off. Now I have to pull up the GPS to figure out how to get out of here. Let me pull up GPS so we can get out of here and go home. All right, let's go. All right guys, I think I will see you guys tomorrow morning when I do some Spark deliveries or something. I'm going to do something tomorrow.
Turn right
anyway, I will see you guys and another day. Good morning. Good morning. It is Sunday, March 9th, 2025. I'm out here getting ready to do a couple of Sparks, and then I have a 10 o'clock Poplin order to pick up, and I want to do some Spark until it's time to go to church. So I think we'll go ahead and do Spark to about 10 o'clock. Because they say it's very busy. So let's see what's the first one that comes out. All right. Ooh. Let's see. I'll be back. Okay, guys. One just came through for $20.35. And it is, let's see, 1, 2, 3 apartments. So let's get started with this order. All right, guys, we are at the Walmart. We're pulling in Park Spot 6. Trying to see how much I can make until 10 o'clock. It is, what time is it? It is 8:37 right now. And this order, this delivery, excuse me, is $20.35. All right, the items are in the car. So our first delivery is going, let's see how far. Please knock hard. Please look for 409F. Hand to customer. Oh, they wanted their stuff to be handed to them. All right, let's go. It is 7 minutes away. Okay. Let's go. Let's give the customer their stuff. That is delivered. On our way to the next one. He had that music playing loud, but they said knock on the door. See why you said knock hard? You got that music so hot, so loud. Let's see how far it's the next delivery. Another apartment, and it is 7 minutes away. Let's go. Okay, guys, you're not going to be able to see me this time because the way the apartment is situated. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this grocery order delivered, and I'll be back. All right, the next delivery is 5 minutes away. Then we'll be on our way back to a store to pick up another order. Let's go. These apartments are kind of difficult. Let me go figure out where she is. All right, guys, I had to get out to find out where she is. So you're not going to be able to see probably me delivering. She's on the second floor because I text her. But the way these, I don't know, the townhome part, I don't know what they are, but they situated. I see her number, put these flashes on, her garage, number. So I'm gonna have to, but she's on the second floor, so we're gonna park right here and get this lady her order. Hope I don't be in nobody's way. Let's do it. Let me see if you can see me a little bit. I just received a $10 customer return. So let's go start this. And we're picking up from my apartment. Let's go. Let's see how far it is. Cut the flashes off. It's 8 minutes away. Let's go. All right, guys, I ran into an issue there. It wouldn't, barcode wouldn't scan. Then I had some issues trying to get in the building because it's a, you have to call the customer to let you in. And I was having a hard time with that part. So I finally got it. So now we got, go ahead and return her trash can back to the store. Let's go. All right, guys, we're at the Walmart. We're gonna quickly do this return, and then we're gonna wait and see if I'm gonna try to do one more order, and then I'll pick up my Poplin laundry order. We're in spot number 4 at Walmart. All right, complete return, and now we're on our way to pick up our Poplin order. Let's go. Poplin order is 14 minutes away. Let's go.
Head northwest toward Walmart Way.
I wanted to knock out 3 Sparks deliveries, but because I got caught up with the return, you know, the barcode wasn't working. I had to wait for the lady to let me in the building. I couldn't find the number wasn't working at first. I just don't like really going to the lady just walked right on out here. Buildings that you have to have an access code, because it kind of slows you down, especially if they're having a hard time finding the button they need to push to let us in, and it was a senior citizen building. But anyway, we got that return back to Walmart, so now we're going to get this Poplin order. So let's go, guys. All right, guys, we're here. Thank God they have the laundry out already. Normally I have to wait. Today they have it out. The young lady must be home, because when the guy here, I have to wait. That's what I like. Quick pickup. Love it. Let's go. Let's start back to the house, start the laundry. And let me get out of here first. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna close out the video right now. And I'm about to go home and start on this laundry. So I want you guys to be blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you're going to church, have a blessed time at church. Give God the praise, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.